Friends, welcome back. My name is RodLine and today I'm going to show you how to increase upload limit within your website. Okay, sometimes you get an error. Let's say coming here on my dashboard. This is WordPress dashboard and this is my e-commerce actually selling digital products. All right, so I need to upload some files. Okay, so when I navigate here to media, you see maximum upload limit. If we try to upload something here, you see we have maximum upload limit, which is 2 megabytes. But sometimes I need to upload files with at least more than 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, and whatever. Okay, based on your hosting service provider. Okay, so the only way to solve this issue is there are two ways you can solve this. Maybe you can use the plugin which overrides this maximum 2 megabytes upload limit. Then you update it to your own. But we have another option which you can use, or which you can change this on Cpanel. I recommend changing uploading limit and increasing upload limit in the Cpanel. Okay, because sometimes you can use some plugins which will help you to fix this issue, but there are some phenomena coming. You find like that the plugin is not working well. Also, it is increased. You'll be having bunch of plugins which are just doing something which you can solve it directly within your hosting panel without depending on the plugin. All right, so I'm going to come back to my Cpanel. I don't know your service or hosting provider you're using right now, but currently now I'm using Orange Host, and this is my Cpanel. It doesn't matter which kind of hosting plan you're using or hosting company, but usually we almost have the same control panel as long as you're using Cpanel. If you're using other panel, hosting panel, no problem. You'll follow the same steps. It is very simple. Okay, so this is my Cpanel, and if I scroll down here around somewhere here on apps, here on software, okay, we see we have a lot of things, but for us we are going to deal with PHP, multi-PHP in editor. Okay, so this is the allocation which shows us upload limit and the maximum file size to upload, to configure everything. So I'm going to show you everything. So now if you click there, you will come up to this page. Okay, you see this page. Now we have because of this hosting, we have almost not more than one domain. So I'm coming here to select the domain that is hosting my website. You can see this domain is rodline.co.tz. all right, so here I'm going to choose to select rodline.co.tz as the domain I want to make some changes to. Okay, so if you get this you get this file at this page. So you see here we have now upload maximum file size, which is 2 megabytes as we see it here. Okay, so we can modify this. Maybe we'll make it 500 and we can make it 1 gigabyte, no problem. So 1 gigabyte equivalent to 1024. Okay, 1024 equals to 1 gigabyte. Okay, so we can see post maximum size. We can also give it 1001 gigabytes, no problem. So it is 1024. Okay, yes, so now we have updated the upload limit. So if we save this, okay, we save this, we apply changes and successfully saved. If we come back here and refresh, okay, you refresh here, it means we shall have increased the upload limit. You see now we have 1 gigabyte. But maybe if let's make it 2 gigabytes, we make it 2 gigabytes, we see if it works. So I'm going to point up here to it is 2048 equivalent to 2 gigs. Okay, so again here post my maximum size, I can do the same thing. So it is 2048 equivalent to 2 gigabytes. So after saving this and refresh here, it means we should have a maximum upload size to 2 gigabytes. So refreshing back to my page and see if we have 2 gigs. Wow, you see now we have 2 gigabytes. So I was uploading something within my website, then I saw this error. I saw it's good to share with my friends, and now I think I'm going to upload the file. You see now I had the error like maximum file upload limit is equal to 2. So now if I'm trying to upload again this file, it means now it's going to work out because we have 2 GB maximum size of uploading. So now it is not working because I didn't refresh out this page. Okay, so we should refresh this page so that we can proceed here. Okay, so coming back here and trying to upload this file now, I think it's going to work because we have I'm going to share downloadable product. Then I get this one, I add a link, I choose the link, then I upload here. So I'm selecting the file to upload, which is this one. Okay, it has almost 21 megabytes. So you see now it is uploading. So this is the only way you can solve this issue using Cpanel without depending on the plugins. Okay, so for those who have been asking about this, hope you see how to solve it. Thank you very much for being with me here. Keep watching my videos, unless otherwise, have a nice day.